Make sure you guys have checked out the first video and then get into this one.
Bro, what you doing up there?
Flying?
Do you know, bro, that you have 100 subscribers already?
100 what?
100 subscribers.
Thank you so much, guys. How many programming languages do you think we have? Take a wild guess. 100? 200? 300? No. We have more than 500 programming languages. But there are some languages which have secured a spot in coders' hearts. Java, Python, C, Ruby, JavaScript, C Sharp, and SQL. Yes, I call it SQL. My personal favorite is Python, pretty obvious. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You're watching The Coding Samurai, and today I'll tell you guys why you should start to code with Python. It was initially designed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and developed by Python Software Foundation. It emphasized on code readability and ease of tasks. Its syntax allows programmer to express concept in fewer lines of code. For example, suppose you have to write a code in which you ask the user for a name and then print it out. This is the C++ file. It is named main.cpp, and basically what this program is doing is ask for a name and then print it out. You don't have to understand how the code works or what particular thing means at this point, but as you can see, there's about 7 lines of code for this thing in C++. And same for the Python file main.py. The same work is reduced just to 2 lines. It goes name, run the program, samurai. Yes. Python is the world's fastest growing programming language. It is preferred by software engineers, mathematicians, data analysts, scientists, accountants, network engineers, and kids. Python has many applications: web development, game development, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, data visualization, desktop GUI, web scraping applications, business applications, audio and video applications, CAD, embedded applications, and automation. It is the number one language employers are looking for. I hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned.